Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is DroneShield partners with Robin radar systems to expand counter-drone sensor ecosystem and enhance layered airspace detection. DroneShield has announced a partnership with Robin radar systems to strengthen radar capabilities within its counter-drone technology ecosystem. The collaboration aims to expand radar options available to customers and enhance layered airspace awareness across defense, critical infrastructure, and public safety environments. Robin Radar Systems is known for its 360-degree, three-dimensional radar technology designed to detect and track small airborne objects, including drones. The company's radar systems are engineered to provide reliable detection and classification performance in complex operational environments. The partnership reflects DroneShield's ecosystem-based approach to counter-uncrewed aerial systems, which focuses on integrating interoperable third-party sensors rather than providing a closed technology platform. According to the company, this model allows operators to choose sensing technologies suited to their operational environment, threat profile, and mission requirements. By incorporating Robin radar systems into its sensor ecosystem, DroneShield is expanding the radar-based detection capabilities available to its customers. Radar systems play an important role in detecting and tracking airborne objects over large areas and in challenging conditions, supporting persistent situational awareness. At the center of the system architecture is DroneShield's DroneSentry C2 platform, powered by SensorFusion AI. The system combines data from multiple sensors to create a unified operational picture intended to reduce ambiguity and improve decision-making. Operators need systems that adapt to their mission, not the other way around, said Angus Bean, DroneShield's Chief Product Officer. By partnering with Robin Radar Systems and expanding our sensor marketplace, we give customers more freedom to design their airspace security architecture, while SensorFusion AI ensures that all sensor inputs are fused into insights that support decisive action. Robin Radar Systems said its radar technology is designed to integrate seamlessly with broader security architectures and provide reliable performance in operational environments. The company highlighted its Iris 3D radar as part of the integrated counter-drone solution. At Robin, we see ourselves as a new generation radar company, fast, adaptive, and built for integration. Our technology is designed to deliver seamless performance within broader security architectures. We're pleased to be partnering with DroneShield to combine our market-leading Iris infrared imaging system 3D radar with their CUAS counter-unmanned aircraft system platform, enabling smarter, layered airspace protection worldwide, said Marcel Verdonk, Robin Radar's Chief Commercial Officer. According to the companies, the partnership brings together complementary sensing technologies to improve detection and situational awareness without increasing operational complexity. By integrating radar with AI-enabled sensor fusion, organizations can combine wide area coverage with improved understanding of potential aerial threats. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @ Electronics Technology 50.